In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Monarch Money with ease and confidence. Subscriptions can sometimes feel like a maze to navigate, but by following these simple steps, you'll be able to handle it efficiently. Let's dive in and take it step by step to ensure clarity and make this process a breeze for you. To begin, welcome to Monarch Money. You're likely familiar with its dashboard where you can view and manage your financial landscape. Our first step today is to head over to the settings section. To get there, simply log into your account. Once you're in, locate the settings option. You'll find it situated conveniently on the upper left side of your screen. Clicking this will open up a variety of options for managing your account. Next, direct your attention to the billing tab. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to financial adjustments in your account. By clicking on billing, you're opening the door to manage everything related to payments, including your subscriptions. This is an essential step as it's here you'll find the details pertinent to your ongoing subscription. After you've accessed the billing section, you'll see a manage subscription option. Clicking on this is crucial as it directs you to the heart of your subscription details. Here, you'll have the chance to review your current subscription, see what's been billed, and understand the cycle of your payments. It's always a good practice to check these details to make sure you're fully informed. Now, let's move to the final and most critical part of the process, canceling your subscription. Look for the cancel subscription button. It's typically highlighted to ensure visibility. When you click on it, you'll be guided through a simple confirmation process. Don't worry, this step is straightforward. You might be asked to provide a reason for the cancellation or receive information on what this means for your account, like potential loss of access to certain features. Remember, canceling your subscription does not always mean immediate cessation of service, as many subscriptions run until the end of the billing cycle. Make sure to check any details about cancellations on the Monarch Money website to fully comprehend the impact on your account. Congratulations! You've just finished navigating through canceling your subscription on Monarch Money. This straightforward approach ensures you're back in the driver's seat of your subscription choices. If you have further inquiries or require additional help, Monarch Money's customer support is always available to lend a helping hand. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was as helpful to you as it was to others who have successfully managed their accounts.